Okay, this is one of the most strangest games on the ZX Spectrum, How to Be a Complete Bastard. As you can see, you've got a wheel-meter and a fart-meter, and you've got bastard points. Let's start the game, shall we? Now, it's like a split screen, like because of different angles. If you look at the top hand screen, that's me walking left and right there. If you look at the bottom of the screen, you can see me walking up and down, because that's from a different perspective. Go through the door, and you've got like the kitchen. You can look at the stuff, look in your pockets. You are carrying nothing. Cooker, I can search it now and take some curry, and it gives you a choice if you want to eat the curry or eat all of it or do nothing. I'll do nothing from there. What's in the washing machine? Dirty pants. You can wear them, you can throw them, you can take them. I'll wear them. Bit clean for you. Look in the drawers, nothing there. Sink, search it. Bleach, throw it. It makes a mess all over the place. Basically, you've got to try and be as much of a complete bastard as possible. So, yeah, it's kind of strange, you know what I mean? It's brilliant. It's original anyway, I'll put it that way. Look in the bin. There's nothing in there. Nowhere else to go. Coat, pen. You can smash the pen. How stupid. Go up the stairs. Go upstairs. Here we am on the landing. The game is strange because it's original. You've got all these meters on there. You've got a drunk-o-meter, a smell-o-meter, a wee-o-meter. You've got your points, and you've got a fart-o-meter, and the meters correspond to the different actions you can do in the game. You can see dirty knickers. I'll throw them. What's in here? Have a look in the cupboard. Sneezing power. You can eat it. It says that was stupid. Have a look on the chair. Nothing there. Have a look in the blanket box. You can see a blanket. I'll wear the blanket. Blankety blank impressions, it just said. Oh, I'm fucking in the wrong room again. I remember having this game as a child, because I did have this game. It appeared on one of the computer magazine cover tapes, you know, like you used to have. And even then I didn't get it, and I still don't get it. Spider. You can throw the spider. What a waste. There's a plug in the bathroom. Wear it as a medallion. Are you a Bee Gees fan? Have a look in the search, some soap. Eat it. Have you been using bang language again? Toothpaste, eat it. See my fart-o-meter's going up now. Cabinet, squeezes it. What else? pills. Take them. You take the pills. Laxative. Eat it. My thought meter's going to be right at the top there. How to Be a Complete Bastard. If you've never played it and you like Spectrum games, I recommend you go get it from somewhere like eBay, or if you get the ROM for it for an emulator. It's pretty funny. I'll give it a good 7 out of 10. Goodbye.